In the heart of the dense jungle, two intrepid explorers, Lily and Max, embarked on a daring adventure. Armed with their backpacks, maps, and unyielding curiosity, they set out to uncover the secrets of the fabled Temple of Lumina. Legends whispered that within its walls lay a gem of unimaginable power. The journey was not for the faint of heart. The jungle's tangled vines and echoing roars of unknown creatures tested their resolve. Yet the companions pressed on, driven by the thrill of discovery. Guided by the aged map, they deciphered riddles that led them to hidden waterfalls, ancient statues, and forgotten ruins. As the days turned into weeks, their perseverance paid off. Emerging from the dense foliage, they stood before the colossal stone entrance of the temple. Its intricately carved designs told stories of forgotten civilizations and powerful rituals. The thrill of anticipation surged through their veins as they pushed open the heavy doors. Inside, they discovered a mesmerizing chamber bathed in a soft, ethereal light. The air was thick with a sense of reverence, and in the center of the room rested a pedestal with a single radiant gem, the Lumina crystal. Its multifaceted surface seemed to hold the very essence of the jungle itself. But the gem's allure was not the only thing within the temple. They soon realized they were not alone. A group of treasure hunters, led by the cunning Captain Thorn, had also found their way to the temple. Greed gleamed in his eyes as he demanded the Lumina crystal for himself. A tense standoff ensued, and Lily and Max knew they had to protect the ancient relic from falling into the wrong hands. With their knowledge of the temple's layout and the determination born of their journey, they navigated through hidden traps and passages, staying one step ahead of Thorn's crew. At the heart of the temple, Lily and Max discovered the truth behind the Lumina crystal. It wasn't a source of power to be exploited, but a guardian of balance, holding the jungle's harmony intact. If removed without proper respect, it could bring catastrophic consequences. United by a newfound purpose, Lily, Max, and Captain Thorn's crew found themselves working together to save the jungle. They repositioned the gem on the pedestal, allowing its light to refract through the chamber, activating a mechanism that would warn of impending danger. As they retreated from the temple, they could hear the distant rumbling of the earth as it responded to the Lumina crystal's protection. The jungle seemed to come alive with gratitude as the creatures within it calmed and the air grew still. Back at their camp, Lily and Max bid farewell to their unexpected allies. Captain Thorn, humbled by the experience, left with newfound respect for the mysteries of the world. As for Lily and Max, they departed the jungle with more than just a story to tell. They carried with them a deeper understanding of the delicate balance that existed between humanity and the natural world. The adventure had taught them that some treasures were meant to be preserved, not plundered. And as they looked back at the dense canopy of the jungle one last time, they knew that their journey had changed them, leaving them with a sense of wonder and a commitment to protecting the wonders of the world for generations to come.